Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to find Euler wallet address on Binance. As you can see, Euler just get listed on Binance Spot, and if you want to transfer your Euler from other wallets or airdrop to Binance Exchange, it's very easy. You have to find the wallet address, and I will show you in this video step by step. So first, you can open your Binance app. And then make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your asset in the bottom right corner here. And then as you can see, there is advanced button. You can click it. And then you can choose on chain deposit. And then in the search box here, you can search oil. For Euler, this one. So there are some networks. I will choose BIC because it's cheaper and faster. But it's up to you. So let's say I will choose BSC here, and this is my Euler wallet address on Binance. So you can copy it or scan it, and make sure when you transfer it you choose the same network, otherwise your token will be gone. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.